I closed over $700,000 from LinkedIn inbound leads last year, and obviously it was not by luck. I follow a very specific system that transforms profile visits into sales conversations. This system allows me to turn simple LinkedIn posts into DMs like, "Hey, can we work together?" And in this video, I'm going to explain that exact system so you can reuse it. Okay, I will start with a truth. Most people don't get inbound leads because their offer is unclear. They publish content, but their profile gives people too many options and no obvious first step. Their profile creates confusion. When someone visits their profile, they see multiple services, different links, several price points, and competing offers. Then they click on the website and the choice overload gets even worse. This creates decision paralysis. And when there is too much choice, people do nothing. So if you are in this situation, you don't lose leads because they are not interested. You lose them because you don't give them one clear first step. And this is why you need a front-end offer. So what is a front-end offer? A front-end offer is a simple, low-risk, easy-to-buy first step that helps your audience try your expertise before committing to a bigger engagement. It should be, first, easy to understand. Second, easy to buy. It should be fast to deliver. It should be a quick win for the client. And the goal here is not to make the most money from this offer. The goal is to remove friction, build trust, and open the door for bigger projects. Let me show you how the system works. Here is the sequence, very simple. Step 1, you need to sell an easy entry offer. So it should have a low price point for an easy yes. Example, a $300 call or a $1,000 audit. Second step, you need to deliver fast, 1 or 2 weeks max. You need to give them clarity and tangible results within those 2 weeks. And step 3, upsell. Once the trust is built, you can present your main offer at 4K or 10K or maybe 3K per month. And step 4, it's optional. You can also do a downsell. If they don't take the high ticket offer, you can offer a lighter version. And this system works because it removes decision paralysis and it also increases conversions and it builds trust gradually so you can increase the lifetime value of your clients. Now let me give you a real example. In my previous company in 2021, we went from 0 to 100K with one simple front-end offer. So I had a go-to-market agency. We help startups find product market fit with rapid experimentation. And we posted a lot on LinkedIn, and when our prospects visited our page, we presented them a front-end offer in our featured section. So they found us through our content, and then they had one logical next step. They saw that we could audit their GTM strategy for $1,000. So they DM'd us or clicked on the featured section, and during a sales call, we sold the audit for $1,000. Then we delivered the audit with a list of recommendations. You should do this for your paid ads, you should do this for your emails, you should do this for your content. And at the end, we told them, okay, you can implement these recommendations yourself, you can hire freelancer or in-house, or we can do it for you. And most clients chose us because we did the audit, we knew their context and their problems, we already proved our expertise with these audits, and so this allowed us to upsell them to projects that were worth $15,000 each. Because we built the trust with this audit, we showed our expertise, and we gave them next steps and said we can implement them right now, you just have to pay and say yes. That's low friction. And really, that's the power of a front-end offer because you open the door and then you upsell them. Now let's do something even more important. Let's build your front-end offer. So first, you need to ask yourself this specific question. How can I deliver a quick win for my ideal client and prove my expertise fast? So here are some easy formats. Option 1, as I explained, audit plus action plan, and then implement the action plan. That's great for marketing, sales, operations, and also product. Option 2, an implementation sprint. You set something up in the 1-2 weeks for a clear outcome. For example, you could install a CRM in 2 weeks, or you could install an outbound GTM system. Option 3, it could be a mini course plus an implementation offer. You give the knowledge first and then you sell the support after. I've done this in my course business and it works really well as well. Option 4, a 1-hour strategy call. You give clarity, answer questions, and provide an action plan during a 1-hour call, and then you tell them at the end of the call, based on their problems, what you can do for them. The key here is fast win, low friction, and clear outcomes. Now, the last question you might have about your front-end offer is the pricing. How should I price the offer? Well, let me tell you one thing. Your price must feel like a no-brainer. If it's too high, you will need months of nurturing, and so it's not a low-friction offer. If it's too low, the perceived value drops. So it really depends on your business, but you need to choose a price that makes your audience think. For these results, this price is absolutely worth it. This is what creates immediate conversions, when the price is much lower than the perceived value. And this is what you need to aim for. That's why we had the $1,000 audit for my previous business. It was really perfect to get a fast yes. Now, when you have your front-end offer and your pricing, you need to display it everywhere on your profile. And that's really how you sell on LinkedIn. So your LinkedIn profile should work like a landing page. Here is how to lay it out. First, you have your banner. You have a clear tagline explaining the outcome of what you're doing and your offer. You also have a short explanation, it can be visual as well, and some social proof. The best is to have some logos. Second, you have your headline. Use your overall value proposition, not the offer. But your CTA here can point to the front-end offer. Then you have your About section. Here I recommend to use the PAS framework, Problem, Agitate, Solution. So you explain the problem of your audience, you show you understand, you agitate with symptoms and more pains, and then the solution is your front-end offer. So it's a logical next step to book this offer with you. Now, something you can try is that if your price is low, you can try to include it directly in the section. And then the most important, in my opinion, is the featured section. Here you add a visual plus a link to a landing page or a Notion page, or maybe even a form or a calendar in order to book a call with you. The funnel needs to be very simple, because if the funnel is complex for a simple front-end offer, they will not book it. And here, very important, you understood it already, one offer only, so the decision is faster. And then a bonus step, you can improve your experience section by promoting your offer. You add an image and a link that sends to the front-end offer. So this way, your LinkedIn profile becomes a conversion machine. All right, that's the full front-end offer. Here is the summary. Most people lose leads because their profile gives too many choices, but a front-end offer removes the frictions and drive leads, direct messages, and sell. So what you need to do is deliver fast win with your front-end offer and upsell them later. The price should be a no-brainer. You should promote it everywhere on your profile, and the next step should be very clear, so they click on your profile and book the front-end offer with you. Hey, if you want to sell on LinkedIn, you will love my free LinkedIn marketing playbook for 2026. I teach you how to create content and how to book deals on LinkedIn. So make sure to download it now. It's in the description.